Dear investor, let's understand the meaning and purpose of swing trading. A swing trader holds on to his position from overnight to a few weeks to make a profit from the stock's short-term momentum. To find stocks for swing trading, pay more attention to technical analysis than fundamental analysis. A fundamental analysis takes into account a stock's long-term prospects, the financial and managerial strengths of the company behind the stock, etc. A swing trader should not be too concerned about these factors. To find stocks for swing trading, ऐसे stocks ढूंढिए जिनका 50-day moving average 200-day moving average से ऊपर जा रहा है. If you notice this pattern, it's possible that this stock will show a short-term increase in value. Reasonable profits कमाने के लिए entry time और exit time का perfect होना जरूरी नहीं है. Minute gains can and do compound over time. A swing trader needs to keep his eye on the stock price movement. Even small and temporary swings are opportunities for a profitable exit. Browse Angel Broking's YouTube channel to learn more about the stock market.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.